Well, following on to what Jeff's thought was, it really is a hybrid solution that we're pursuing. And it centers around know your data and know what's appropriate to do for your different levels of data and your different levels of applications. So, for example, within our private cloud, in our 2 enterprise data centers at DHS, we have architected 9 what I would consider to be cloud solutions within our private cloud. And those center around infrastructure and then some software as a service and platform as a service also. So talking about the infrastructure side of the equation, what we're trying to do in order to enable agile development, which is also part of the 25-point plan, and to hasten speed to market for our applications, we're putting in place infrastructure as a service that includes dev test as a service, pre-prod, and production as a service. So you can turn up or turn down as a developer pieces of your infrastructure that you need in order to move forward on application development, and you can do that within 24 hours. It's a provisioning model, and to be able to meter your service and thereby lessen your cost over time, not investing huge amounts of infrastructure going forward. Second piece of that is the software as a service. I spoke earlier about email as a service, SharePoint as a service, starting with the back office, but eventually moving into more of the mission side of the equation. We're not there yet, but we will be at some point in time. And that's where that portfolio management and the optimization of applications and the re-architecting becomes so important. And the last piece is platform as a service. And in those areas, we're looking at what I can see as several stacks, open source, Linux, Microsoft, all of the typical stacks that you would see in the developer portfolio. We're looking at putting those in place so our teams can go to that and use that ubiquitously. I believe that we've already achieved some huge services. Our email as a service is market priced at $7 to $9 a mailbox. We tagged it up to what was available in commercial capability, as opposed to let's start here and let's build up the labor cost, let's add the overhead, and let's get ourselves a big overblown government cost. I think what we're talking about here is going to the market and seeing what the market will bear, and challenging our partners and our vendors to come to the table with us and resolve and find solutions that will give the government the same kinds of services, sometimes within our walls and sometimes outside of our walls, depending on what data you have.